Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the run command on your Windows 10 computer. This should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Regedit, so Regedit. Best result should come back with Registry Editor. Go ahead and right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And before you begin in the registry, you want to just make sure you create a backup. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, all you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient location on your computer or external drive if you so choose. And if you ever need to import it back in, you just would select File and then Import, and then just navigate to the file location wherever you saved it. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we are ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HKey current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, so go double click on that. Same thing for Microsoft. And now go down to Windows. Double click on that. Should be a current version folder under here. Go ahead and double click on that. Locate policies, just left click on that. And now on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then you want to select DWORD 32-bit value. You want to name this value Explorer, exactly how it appears on my screen, so EXPLORER. Double click on it once this value has been created. Delete the 0 in this value data field, type the number 1, base should remain hexadecimal, and then go ahead and select OK. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and close out of the Registry Editor, restart your computer, and then the Run dialog field should be disabled. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.